Welcome to Bitcoin News today on the 28th of April 2018. This morning we saw some very unusual activity on the Bitfinex exchange, and it did affect the prices on other Bitcoin exchanges as well. It happened at it actually started to happen at precisely 9:30 a.m. British summertime. So very, very unusual activity. It happened at precisely that time. So I'd love to know what you think in the comments. Please do let me know what you think triggered this remarkably unusual price activity, which doesn't seem at all natural. Is it market manipulation in effect? Because what we did see was, at this precise time, there was a small amount of activity here. You can see here a very small amount of activity suddenly started to send the price higher. It went from $9,088 up to $9,307 very quickly. Then we did see a little level off between 9:34 and 9:58 a.m. before there was a drop to roughly half of that amount. Now, we did see a surge of sells during that time, and then it's difficult to see on here. Let me see if I can make these lines thicker perhaps. Well, you can actually see the wick of the candle. Forget that, but you can basically see the wick. We've got a range here from $9,323 down to $8,942, and then in the next minute that price ranged again from $8,752 back up to $9,237. Extremely unusual activity and a big surge in buys at that price. So please do let me know what you think happened in the comments. There was also a massive increase in on the MACD during that time, and before it happened, there was a low RSI on the 1 minute graph. So maybe it's automated trading, but definitely very unusual activity. We don't normally see a pattern like this, and it does stand out on the 1 hour chart. Looking at the 1 hour chart, let's go back, let's scroll to the current time. You can see that 1 hour candle is absolutely huge. Let me just measure that candle. You don't normally see anything like this. So it's an 8% gain in one bar, basically, from the bottom to the top of that bar. So highly unusual, very suspicious activity. Could be manipulation. Maybe this is the method known as, I believe it's painting the ribbon, where somebody could place a very low limit order for a huge amount of Bitcoin, and when the price starts to sell, because people have decided to lower their price, their sell price, they then cancel the order, and then that can suddenly send the price upwards. So maybe this is an indication of price manipulation through that method of painting the ribbon, I believe it's called. So interesting in itself. And just a quick look at the Bitcoin headlines. Fortune is reporting that women could increase the price of Bitcoin when they start to get involved. Do you know any women who are involved in Bitcoin yet? Let me know in the comments. Perhaps you yourself are female. Maybe you're interested in getting involved in Bitcoin. So do let me know. I'd love to hear from you. The St. Louis Federal Reserve says that Bitcoin is like regular currency. So that could have far-reaching effects for you if you are in the United States. Maybe your government will start treating Bitcoin like it is any other currency. I know there's already tax implications in the US and other countries. The finance expert dismissed claims that Bitcoin is an indicator for the market there. That's related to the NASDAQ being interested in cryptocurrency. Hedge fund Pantella Capital believes the total cryptocurrency market can reach $40 trillion in about a decade, so some positive news there. Warren Buffett has come out saying that buying Bitcoin is not investing. He still doesn't quite understand what's going on. Bitcoin frenzy settles down as big players muscle into market, according to Eyewitness News. So we're seeing a mixture of news stories there. So going back to the 1 hour graph, now this possible market manipulation doesn't seem to have affected the price too much, because we did see that the price was already rising before that happened, and it's just carried on its existing trajectory. We are seeing that the MACD is rising, so I do expect the price to go up to these levels that we did see here back on the 24th of April. I think we'll see some retracement back to that level probably by tomorrow midday UK time, where we could see levels of $9,619. So look to take profits there. Not a time to buy at the moment because price is looks like it's going to be rising, so I would recommend that you look at taking profits as the price rises, and we will see no doubt lower prices in the near future again. So this is where I recommended buying before, and at this levels here I recommended taking profit here, and we're going into another profit taking area here. So please do subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date with the Bitcoin price from me, and give the video a thumbs up. It does help to get the video out there. And also let me know what you like about this video. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. Do you want to see more of the news side, or do you want to see more technical analysis? Let me know if you've got any questions, and I'd be very happy to help. I've been trading Bitcoin now for over 3 years. I'm not going to say I'm a self-proclaimed expert like some people do on their YouTube channels, and I do hope that you appreciate that this is a ad-free video. I hate YouTube ads probably as much as you do, so I make my channel ad-free. If you would like to support me and you've not bought any Bitcoin yet, just click the link in the video description and you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free. You get $10 worth, I get $10 worth, so it's a win-win situation. Thanks to our sponsor at Coinbase. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you again in another video very soon. Good luck with your Bitcoin trading, and bye for now.